Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Udeme Hogan. So in case you are coming across my video for the very first time, you are highly welcome. I am so happy that you stopped by to watch this video. So please, if this is your first time in my channel, please give this video a like, click the subscribe button, and also turn on the bell notification to always get notified once I upload a new video. Please watch this video to the end because it will be so helpful to you. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be listing some side hustle that will be helpful to students, most especially those in higher institution like in university, secondary school. Okay, but it's mostly applicable to those in university, like those living in campus. So it is very important for a student to have a side hustle. Why am I saying this? Because it will help them to improve their cash flow. There's so many students in campus that always depend on their parents, like, I'm waiting for my mom to send money for my textbook, I'm waiting for my dad to send money for this, I'm waiting for my this, my uncle, my auntie, and all that. But look, you can have a side hustle and also reduce that pressure of your parents always thinking of sending money to you and all that. It's very important to have a side hustle because you can always support your parents, because those are one of the reasons for you getting a side hustle. Support your parents and also yourself. It's not everything that you be demanding from your parents. Okay, so I'm going to be listing some of those side hustle that will be helpful to those of you in the campus or anybody looking for something to do to venture into and increase their cash flow. So number one is graphic design. Graphic design is the act of creating, editing, designing, and perfecting an artwork using a good graphic design software such as Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Pixel Lab, and all that. There are so many graphic designing software and applications online, so it's not a must that you use a laptop to do graphic design work. You can also use your mobile phone. There are so many applications online to use for graphic designing. So if you're able to do graphic designing, it will help you to increase your cash flow. Do you know why? Because so many people will be paying you to do some graphic designing job for them and you collect your money. But if you can't do graphic design or you don't have any idea about it, you can look for somebody that have idea about it, and then the person will teach you. You pay the person will teach you, because they say they use money to buy money. So you use money to learn. After learning, you can get money from people and then do their job for them. So that's one of the best side also for a student. Okay, another one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is selling a company's product or someone's product, and then you get a commission from each sales. Okay, it's just like, for example, me now, maybe I'm working for a company, or I want to market a particular product for somebody or a company. So okay, for example, I'm marketing a shoe. When you market it, you have your own link, your affiliate link, that somebody will buy through that link. So if somebody purchased that shoe through me, so I will get a commission for that. So that is what affiliate marketing is all about. But if you don't have idea about it, like I said, you can always pay to learn. You pay to learn and then you deliver services, because you can't give what you don't have. So you must always know something before you're able to charge people for it. So that's another best side hustle for a student, affiliate marketing. Another one is buying and selling of goods. You can call it mini importation. Okay, you buy goods maybe from outside countries like China, US, you import them to Nigeria, or you can also buy in Nigeria, like go to markets where you know they sell wholesale things. You go there, you buy and sell your things. If you are in a campus, you can buy like shoes, clothes, bags, wristwatch, singlets, so many things that you know that your fellow students might need. You buy all of them. When you come to your campus, you sell it. They will rush you and you make your own profits from it, because you buy and you sell. So you're going to calculate how much you spent on it and how much you want to gain. So that's what buying and selling of goods is all about. Okay, another side hustle for a student is phone repairs. If you are somebody that know how to repair phone, you know that so many students, so many of them uses smartphones, and you know that smartphones always gets one or two issues. So if they notice that you know how to fix a phone, of course they'll always come to you. Guy, my phone is faulty, you help me to fix it. You tell them, oh yeah, pay this, pay that. They will pay for it because they want their phone to work, and then you fix the phone for them and make your money. So another one is baking. Yeah, if you're able to bake in your campus. Of course you can do that. You can bake in your campus. It's not bad. You live in a campus, you have a stove, you have this, you can buy few things needed for baking and you bake. So many students celebrate birthdays. So many students will be hungry, they want to buy so and so, like egg roll, fish pie, buns, pop-off, all those things. You do them in your campus and you sell. Early in the morning, you just do it, put in your bucket. Of course they're going to rush because anything that has to go into the tummy, everybody wants it. So you can do that and you can also sell it. Another one is teaching. If you know how to teach, subjects like chemistry, physics, English language, what other, biology and all that, you can teach junior ones, like especially those that are preparing for maybe their WAEC or their NECO examinations. You can teach them. They will pay you. Tell them, okay, organize few students that, okay, I'm going to be teaching you guys, preparing you guys for your exams and all that. You teach and then they'll pay you. And if parents see that you are doing good for their children, parents will tell others and they'll bring their children to you at this like extra lesson. Apart from them going to school, they'll bring their children to you and you teach them and earn your income. Okay, that's how to do. You always sit down and think of what you can do, okay, to give out and then gain something in return, which is money. Another one is online training. Okay, it has to do with something you know how to do. For example, when you are on Facebook, you can see some people posting that if you want to learn how to do so and so, chat me through this WhatsApp. You have to do something that people are demanding, things that are very important, something that when you say you want to teach people, they will know that, okay, I really need this thing, something that is highly demanded by the public. So you give it out, they will always pay you for them to learn from you. So for example, on Facebook, I used to see people come and learn how to do hair growth cream, come and learn how to do this, come and learn how to do this online. You go there, like learning how to do bits. If you are somebody that knows how to do bits, you can create a WhatsApp group and then organize people, share your links for people to chat you up, and then they pay you, join the WhatsApp group, and you teach them. Not like scamming them, or you teach them. You know that, okay, when you collect money from them, you'll be able to teach them what you said you're going to teach them. That's another way of making money as a student. Another best side hustle for students is making of products and selling. If you're able to make a product and sell, oh my god, so many students will patronize you. Like organic creams. If you have idea about organic creams, of course you can make them. You see the way your students, both male and female, because everybody wants their skin to look good, you make them and sell. Okay, if you're able to make maybe beads and all that, you make them like handbag, like purses and all that. Of course they're going to patronize you because everybody love good things. So when they see you making good things, they'll always patronize you. Another side hustle for a student is video creation and editing. If you're someone that knows how to make a video and edit the video, oh, so many people will be contacting you to make videos for them. Because for example, I might have a store and I don't really have customers like that. Even if I have, I want more customers, and the person don't know how to make a video. Of course they will call you that, please, I want you to make a video for me advertising my shop so that I can get more people coming to patronize me or buy my things online. You make a video for them, you edit the video and send to them, they pay you. Okay, that's another way. You have to know how to do all of these things. If you don't know how to do them, you can contact those that know how to do, and then they teach you and you learn and you give us services. Another best side hustle for students is barbing. If you know how to barb hair, if you know how to cut people's hair, it is very, very good. You go to school with your clipper. Anybody that wants, any student that wants to cut hair, they will come to you, they will pay you, and then you cut their hair for them. No be hair though, you cut their hair for them. If you are very good, so many students will patronize you, because instead of them going outside to cut their hair, they will always come to you to cut their hair. And for them seeing that you are a student, they will always want to support you. So that's another way of making money as a student. At least you'll be making some small daily incomes for yourself. So that's another way. When anything you know you are able to give out, that's a very good start of making money as a student. To avoid embarrassment, okay, financial embarrassment, you don't have money, always depending, no, it's not good. You have to always look for something to do, okay, to you know, to be the big boy you want to be or the big girl you want to be. So I hope I've been able to list out some things that might be helpful to you. So please put these my tips into practice. Don't just watch and go. Think of what to do to make extra income for yourself. Okay, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and always come back to watch my video, please, because if you watch my video you give me more confidence of making more videos, because I know when I make videos and post, you always come back to watch. So that's the beauty of it. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.